Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech It's Simple. In today's tutorial episode I'm going to be showing you how to log into Ally Financial Bank. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and never miss another update from us. Go to your web browser and type in www.ally.com and enter. This is the official website of Ally. To log in, click on the login button located at the upper right corner of the screen and you'll see an expanded menu that appears. Select the account type you want to log into from the drop-down menu and enter your username for your account. On the next field, enter the password for your account. Make sure to type it in correct every time you are logging in for a smooth login to your account. If you want to save the username to the particular device, then click on Save Username. If not, then uncheck this little box over here. In case you forgot the username or password to your account, click the link below to get back to your account. After you're done entering the credentials needed, click on the login button and you will be logged into Ally Financial Bank. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. Are back soon with more tutorial episodes. Thank you for watching.